Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this portable AI on a USB drive or SSD. So this is basically a review of an amazing project shared by a creator known as Tech Jarvis, and I'm going to test it out on my PC on SSD. I'm not going to keep it on a USB drive because I don't have any that kind of storage space. Okay, so the installation requires running 2 batch script, so it will be complete review from my side, and the project is known as Uncensored USB. So it contains all the instructions for each and every operating system, whether it be your Mac OS, Windows, Android, and Linux. Okay, so to set it up, you have to download the zip file, and that is given above. First you have to go to that code and you need to download this zip file, and you need to extract this zip file to a folder, and make sure you have extracted it inside a particular folder because you need to make a use of it. So first install the run script. Run this whether admin privilege or not. It's just going to take few moment because it's going to give you some information in the command line interface. So this process may take time, possibly longer than usual depending on your system architecture, so please be patient. And after that, run the second file. This will also take a while, so make sure you allow all the necessary permissions, and it will also take more time. If you choose the longer or the bigger model, it's going to take more longer. So once the installation is complete, you have to reopen the second file, and this will launch the portable AI on your local machine, and you can use it completely offline without an internet connection. Okay, so we are going to rerun this file, and it will launch in your PC browser with the local host. So here we have the interface, and I tested it with the standard version of AI model. It's supposed to be mostly uncensored. So let me turn off my Wi-Fi to keep things fair and square. So I asked it a few things, so let's see, like how to hack Wi-Fi, which by the way no one should actually do. It's illegal and YouTube also doesn't allow it, but it's not giving that much of info. It's just giving like how you can use aircrack and aircrack-ng and some other tools like pen testing OS and so on. So however, if you ask the same question to ChatGPT or any other mainstream AIs, they completely refuse to provide any information. So while it's on your PC, you can make use of it. So if I'm asking the same question on ChatGPT, see, it's refusing us. It's not going to give us any information related to this. Okay, so you can try other prompts to test its limits. Responses are noticeably slower than ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini because it runs locally, and performance heavily depends on your hardware, especially if you have a dedicated GPU, which I don't have, and I think that's why it's running more slower than I expected it to be. So the recommendation is, if you don't have a high-end system, choose the lower portable one, and yeah, that will work fine. And this portable AI is really handy when you want to use AI offline, or when you don't want to send your conversations over the internet. And overall, I would give this project 7 out of 10 because it's useful but not perfect. It's uncensored but still has some limitations. It gives you answers but not that perfect. So choose wisely your search model. I would recommend you to use the lowest one. You can see above the screen, it's given the whole list which one you should pick, but I think the lower version of model will do the work for you, and that will do the job done. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It was useful, but for me it's not that handy because it's not that completely uncensored, and it's okay. I have kind of mixed feelings. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.